Hello everyone! I'm going to talk to you about gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls things together. There are a few factors that affect the amount of gravity. Here we see how distance and mass affect gravity. More distance between two things means there will be less gravity. Less distance between things means there will be more gravity. More mass in objects will mean more gravity. Less mass in objects will mean less gravity. This thing, called Newton's universal law of gravitation, which was created by Isaac Newton, explains this. Here is the universal law of gravitation equation. As you can see, F is for force, G, this little g is the label, big G is a constant number, R is distance, little m is the mass of one object, and big M is the other mass of the object. As you can see, I've put the equation up here, and I'm going to give you an example first of how the force and mass are related. So, we'll start out with F equals, and for the value of each mass, I am going to make them both 2 for this example. So if the mass of both objects is 2, and we have to multiply, that would be 4. So if we switch this, and instead we made the mass of each object 4, then we would have 16. As you can see, when we had less mass, the gravitational force was less, and when we had more mass, the gravitational force was more. So this is a pretty good example of how more mass means more gravity and less mass means less gravity. For distance, if you have F equal to, let's call our G constant a 1, and let's call our distance a 3, then our answer would be 1/9. But if you change the distance to a 2 so that it's less, and keep the constant a 1, then you will get 1/4. So when you make the distance less, you actually have more gravity, because you can see here that 1/4 is more than 1/9. So in conclusion, more distance means less gravity, less distance means more gravity, more mass means more gravity, and less mass means less gravity. And that is all for my lesson on gravity. Thank you.